In this video, we'll look at an overview of the Generate Links by Text search tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tool automatically adds links to text that matches a user-specified text pattern. Examples could be account numbers, product stock keeping units, employee identification numbers, social security numbers, phone numbers, and web links. Observe this example where a text pattern has been entered and all matching occurrences have been turned into active links to the relevant page. The tool provides two options: a single rule use, using a linking rule to search the text, or using multiple rules, which uses a collection of individual linking rules to search. Let's begin by looking at this first option, using a single rule. Click Plugins in the upper menu, then Links, then Generate Links, then Generate Links by Text search using single rule. Type a text pattern to find and link an action to it. The find text and link action parameters fully control what text will be linked using each link action. Optionally, edit the page range, page area, or edit the link's appearance. Click OK once this is done, and a dialog box will show the number of created links. Links to text that match the user-specified text pattern have been added automatically. Now let's look at the second option that the tool offers, using multiple rules. Click Plugins in the upper menu, then Links, then Generate Links, then Generate Links by Text search, multiple rules. Click Add Link rule. Type a text pattern to find and link an action. The find text and link action parameters fully control what text will be linked using each link action. Optionally, edit the page range, area, or edit the link's appearance before clicking OK. The rule for the search pattern has been created. Click Add Link rule to create more. Type a text pattern to find and link an action to it. Click OK once done. Add more link rules, edit, duplicate or delete them by clicking on the relevant button. The collection of search rules has now been created. Click OK once done. The dialog box with found locations will be opened. Inspect the results by clicking on the entry to display the corresponding location. Use these controls to edit the locations. Click Add All Links once done. A dialog box will show the total number of links that have been created. Click Close to finish. Links to text that match the specified text pattern have been added automatically. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.